Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Julius, and on this channel, I share legit information on different ways to make money online. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how to make money on time bomb. And even if you are a beginner, you can follow this video because I am going to be sharing with you step-by-step guide on how to make money on time bomb and how to take your time in time bomb. This time around, peradventure you have making money on this platform. I'm also going to show you how you are going to withdraw your money out of this platform. So, peradventure you are new to this channel, what I want you to do right now without going to miss you anything, just subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So without wasting much of your time, you can now see the first thing we need to do right now is just to sign up. And I'm going to leave the links of signing up at the description of this video. And once you have done that, this is where it's going to bring you to. And here is you can see here it's saying sign up. You can sign up either by Google, you can sign up either by email address. You put your email here, you put your password here, then you will also repeat your password here. Once you have done that one, they are going to ask you, maybe you are to verify, maybe you are human. If you are not human, you will not be allowed to enter this platform. Once you have done that one now, then you need to click I agree to the terms and service and a privacy policy. After you have done that one, then you click sign. And once you have signed, once you have signed up, start everything we are going to be using here. So this is my dashboard. On my dashboard here right now, if you see my dashboard right now, this is the total money I've accumulated on this platform now. This is $9.34. This is the bonus of the money I got on this platform. Well, this is what I collected from my referral. This is what I've done here. Like I told you, there are 7 different ways you can make money on this platform. And how are you going to know this? How are you going to know this? Then, for you to know all this now, you need to click any. By clicking any here, it's going to come up in this form. There's what we call game. There's what we call a survey, which is making through. There's what we call a task. There's what we call a offer wall. There's what we call a bonus click. There's what we call a referral. There's what we call a clicks. So if you count this one now, this is 2, this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like I told you that there are 7 different ways you can make money on this platform. So now, if I want to show you these 7 different ways right now, by clicking the games here right now, you need to move down. By moving down now, you can see here right now. See how these people are already making money here. These are the games you are going to be playing right now here. You can see here is a user, and this by making this place now, these people have already played this game now, and this person make a 0.5 cent. This one make a $2 2.93 cents, and so on and so forth. So if I move down, these are different games you can play on this form now. So once you have done that one, the other one is what we call a survey. By clicking on survey right now, it's going to show you different survey you can play here right now. For this survey, if it is 5 minute survey, and at the end of the 5 minutes, you are going to get a 70 cent. This one is 19 minutes. At the end of the 19 minutes, you are going to get this. This one is 35 minutes. At the end of 5 minutes, you are going to get $1, and so on and so forth. So this is for that one. And this is even showing different people that are already playing those and that already do that survey. This one has done this one in around 8 minutes ago. This is 9 minutes ago. This is 9 minutes ago. This is 10 minutes ago. And you can see this one has already earned a 0.402 cent. This one has earned a 0.475 cent. This one has earned a 0.125 cent. You can see that survey. So once, if you see, you can see different people that have already, this is thing happen all over the world. If you see now, this one is United Kingdom. This one is United States. This is United Kingdom. So on and so forth. So once you have know how to play the survey now, another way of making money on this platform is tax. So on this tax here right now, it's going to show you different tax we have here. The different tax we have here right now, we have almost a 116 tax. It's a total tax available, 116. And if you are able to complete this tax, this 116 tax here, you are going to make $7.935. And that's just different me another way of making money here. Like this one now, it says subscribe. By subscribing this one now, if you click this one now, it say go to third party links, click subscribe and confirm. Once you have clicked subscribe, you are going to make and confirm your and you confirm your that you have done it. You are going to make this money. Then if I scroll down right now, let me scroll down and show you many other things here. It says sign up. Sign up, take 4 minutes. And this one now also, you say follow links, third party links. Sign up on this website with your phone number only new account. So by doing this one, this is the money you are going to make. And if you are sign up on this website, this is also what you are going to make here right now. So it depends on the numbers of tasks you are able to do here. If you are able to complete all these tasks now, what is now seen at the end of the day right now, this is how much you are going to make at the completion of those tasks, which is $7.935. That is for that one. Another way you can make money on this platform is also called offer war. If you what is offer war? The offer war here is just different games. It's a play and is it this is another game. This is it's like you are playing a game. I'm playing this game right now, and this game you are going to get them in a Play Store or on a Apple IO. These are the area you can get this game. Then once you are able to do that one, these are the different games you can play. Then the next one is uh, bonus click. You click this one. By clicking this one, you say, see what is saying now. You say, game gift. This game gift now, this is what you are going to give you at the end of the day, which is 49 cents. So this, if you see this one, this is the way this one you can see here right now. Recent bonuses. This is $6.03. This is $6.02. This is $5.99. This is $5.89. These are just different bonus you can earn at the end of the end of playing this game here. The next way you can even make money on this platform is what we call click. Therefore, the click here right now, there are many ways you can make click. You can make money on this platform here right now. But before you do that one, you need to click that. You verify you are a human being. When you click on this verify right now, and the thing click as success, then you need to come back here right now. If I want to show you right now here, you can see here right now I'm having a $9.34. By doing this click right now, you already know that if I do this one, I click this one now. By clicking this one, we are having 34 cents there right now. If that one completed, then I'm going to make 00 cents. So let me, so this is so you stop it now. Since it's not the video you are playing, you stop it. So if I come back here right now, you can see that if I go back to go and check my account right now, you can see I just need to uh, reload this platform. This is 34 cents here right now. After I've reloaded this platform now, this one is going to change to 35. Let me reload. I've reloaded now. You can now see now this is 35. If I go back again and I play that game now, it's going to be 36. See now, I just want to show you as an example how you are going to start making money on this platform. This one is a film. This one is a Facebook. Here you can make, then I've told you that you can make money by posting to the Facebook or whatever. So if I go back again now to go and check my platform. This is 30. Already you know that this is in 34. I make it to be 35. This time around, if I reload now, this one is going to be 36. Let me reload and you see it now. I'm reloading now. You can see now this is has become 36. So that is the way of how you can do this one. So this one is very cheap, but it's very small money you can make here. Once you have known that one, another way you can also make money here is by ladder. For this ladder, you are going to start making money here by the number of people that make the highest over here. If you see this one now, this one is already making $39.43 and it's having a bonus of 72 naira. This one is already making a $37.21, and it's having a bonus of 63 cents, $63 rather. This one has made $31.85, and it's having a bonus of $46 dollars. So the other way you can make money on this platform is called referral. And if you see this video right now, this is my own referral. So by putting these links in another platform, and you want somebody to even register on this time bomb, you are going to start making money here. So I want to believe that you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, what I will want you to do right now is just to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So on this note, I want to bring this video to an end. And peradventure you are still having questions on this video, just put it off on there. We'll look at it again, and by the time you look at it twice or thrice, you are going to get it. And maybe you are having questions you want me to do for you on a video form. So just go to the comment section of this video, put your questions there. And when I see those questions, I'm going to do your video, and at the end you are going to be happy about those videos. So I want to thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end, and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.